My name is Germana Ravanelli. I am a certified clinical hypnotherapist, a mind-body healer, a personal trainer, a nutritional therapist. I was taught that health is harmonizing the body, the mind, and the spirit. Hello, my name is Germana. I want to thank you for opening up this video. This video and this week's videos is about how to stop self-betrayal. And this video is specifically self-betrayal spotlight. Here's your self-betrayal alignment cheat sheet. It's short and it's to the point, and it's designed so you can glance at it and you'll see it in the notes to know, how do I stop from being someone who people please at my expense? So self-betrayal spotlight, there's red, pause. That is a knot in your stomach, tension in the body, hesitation before agreeing, inner voice whispering, this isn't right. That's your red light, boom, stop. Yellow, name the pressure. Is it fear of conflict? Is it a need for approval? Is it guilt or obligation? Some people will give their children way too much money out of guilt. I did it. I didn't have a dad for my son, so I did a lot of stuff out of guilt. And that's not good. That's really destroying your child's future. Is it an old habit? Name it, weakens its hold. Green, choose self-honoring actions. Say no without over-explaining. No. I love this. No is a complete sentence. Ask for time before deciding. State your truth calmly. This doesn't feel good for me. I'm not comfortable. Protect your boundary. So that means it's non-negotiable. You set it. You do not need to keep saying it. If the person pushes, they are an abuser and you must get away from them because they're not respecting you, and it starts to ramp up. And personality disordered people usually do not respect boundaries. They just keep pushing because they don't hear what no means. So if you have someone that doesn't respect your boundaries, get away from them. Like, no. Quick self-check before saying yes. Does this feel right or heavy in my body? Will I respect myself tomorrow for this choice? Does this align with my values, not just my fears? We need to not do things from fear. We need to do it from, is this good for me? And that's super important. So reminders, my needs matter as much as anyone else's does. And if you're not looking after your needs, you will suffer significantly. Your life will really hurt. Discomfort from honesty is temporary. Regret from self-betrayal lasts. Every time I honor myself, I strengthen my self-trust, and you begin to become your own best friend. And there is no greater relationship. I hope that you will use some of these strategies. So there's a red light, there's a yellow light, and there's a green light. And being able to say no. I remember when I was a lot younger, I was working on boundaries as, my inner child wasn't allowed to say no. And so I walked around for weeks just saying no to everything to get comfortable. No, no, no. Even if it was only in my head. And it gave me the permission to use that word without being afraid of people being angry for me saying no. And that is the only way we can actually create space for ourselves. So it's okay to say no, and it's okay to say, I'll get back to you. I hope that you liked this. I hope that some of this gives you some tools to remember that you matter, that your needs matter, that your health matters. And thank you. Have a wonderful day.